Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red lines are coming into place. And, this is why I'm not going to say, it's wrong, but why it's just so risky to be holding these leveraged ETFs overnight. Trading them, fantastic, all that. But, just how quickly things can turn. Granted, like I said, I'm not saying you're wrong because technically people could have bought down here around 340 and then just rode this uptrend here and, made some nice money. But, there is just a lot of risk that comes because in a heartbeat, things can turn around like it did today where, things were looking beautiful, as I talked about in yesterday's video. And then all of a sudden today, not only does it gap down, but the price just bleeds and bleeds and bleeds the entire day. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. What was a nice uptrend has now gone back to essentially right where it started, and not to insult your intelligence, but obviously price movements with true power don't go back to where they were, right? They would progress forward, which is not the case here. So what I want to do is just map out a couple potential bounce areas here and, just a couple of these areas of support. And as far as support, given it just kind of shows how nasty today was, really the next level of support is just these all-time lows down here at about $3.30. Sure, the price still has, some space to go, before it could get down there. But as far as supports, that would be the next logical area where it could potentially bounce. Don't get me wrong. I wish the market was as easy as saying, well, because it bounced from here last time and went all the way up there, it'll for sure bounce this time. That's, like I said, I wish the market was that easy, but no such thing as a guarantee. Would I be shocked to see the price come down here, stabilize, and then get some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking, but I can't sit here and say that is, a guarantee to happen. So $3.30, definitely that level of support. In the event the price does start to bounce, let's map out a couple areas of resistance. That initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce going to be right here. We'll call at $3.65. And then after $3.65, actually, just keep an eye on the purple line there. I realize it seems irrelevant, but it'll quickly start to make its way down there, and that'll act as a resistance too. So 365, and then keep an eye on the purple line. Again, 50-period simple moving average. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. But, for you traders out there, these ones are very volatile, and that's kind of the whole idea behind it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.